man, look at this, Chris. Oh man, I've been dying to get. All right, guys. So y'all know I'll be making snow cones out of the people's tears after I beat them. I collect their tears. I freeze them and put them in my ice tank. Man, this is an amazing, amazing ice tank. It's like 7 gallons. The supercharger air tip's really, really cold. Believe it or not, I was using another system. I'm not gonna mention the name. And the top pushed off, and water, you know, went everywhere. Ice can get in there and can block the line, or it can clog the line up, right? But you notice it has a plate here that stops ice from going in past that plate. Plus, this pump right here is set all the way down at the bottom. A lot of times, the things will fall into cavitation, right?
Cavitation.
I said cavitation. I'm gonna chop somebody. Chris, you know what I'm talking about? Good Lord. Anyway, capitation.
Don't roll through this neighborhood. We're gonna put a capitation in you. When the car's taking off, when it's built right, you have all the water flows to the back. So you want to be able to catch all the fluid up here so it doesn't capitate through this, and then keeps the
off with their heads. That's what I do. I cut their heads off on the light.
That way it keeps the supercharger nice and cold with water and no air pockets from improper capitation. This is going to keep the pressure up. Nitrous Outlet also has programmable controllers that you can put on if you have other setups where you want temperature to get into it, things like that. These are rollover valves in case you do wind up on your head. It doesn't let water fall out
right
from the top of the lid, but also gives it some.
But also it also vent. So now look, I put all my water and my ice and everything, and I just put this lid on here. This baby ain't coming out. It is not coming out. Don't be touching in there, Jane. What you get your fingers back, man? What you doing?
Yeah, you don't want.
But this is what I like, right here, dude. This is, man. You see so many guys struggling with this little simple thing at the track that you would think anybody could get it right. So tell us what you just had to do, Chris.
As far as like how to fix it, or?
No, I mean, what did you just do?
Oh, the ice tank?
Yeah.
Filled it up with water, bled out the pump, and now we got some flow.
Now, how are we gonna get the water out of there?
Yeah, well, that's something you gotta figure out later.
With some cups, we had to cup it out.
My job was to install it.
Not
you get it out of there. That's your job. Every man here has a job.
Hey man, we're gonna put a big straw in it. I'm gonna put some ice in it. I'm thinking this is gonna hold a 20 bag of ice, or
what?
Keep it cold for a long time.
Are you the one that made a way to fit 5 pounds worth of shit in a 1 pound bag?
Yes, we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it to the test.
I hate to see that. Hey, I know it's hot, and it may sound like a jacuzzi, but don't go sit off in that.
But don't sit in it.
spun like a mother, dude.
I did.
Plus, he did not go
I did as
off.
well. You can hear your car.
I think you won the tree though. I think you won the battle of the tree. You beat me on the tree. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir.
Good race, a lot of fun. Thank you.
I will never forget this race. Oh no, I wouldn't either. This race, that would be badass.
She almost hooked.
Yeah, it was like right before
She
the
took
tree.
off and she shook the tires.
Right before the tree. It just, the track wasn't there to hold it.
Wasn't hold it. Yeah, and she shook the tires, and I was like, okay, here we go. Eric, that race we had last night, tell me about the race. Because I thought we was racing the 8. And you wanted me to get you hit the move into the light.
To the tree. So I went to the tree, and I was like, hey, you know what? We went to the tree, I was like, I'll be able to do something.
Yeah.
Hell no. I took off, I got to the tree, and I heard that loud car, and I was like, no, this is over. My 150 foot, it was over. So then that insult to injury. We get to the 8th mile, he lets out. I still can't catch him by the quarter mile. It was just bad all the way around. I'll take it. He took my soul, okay? He took my soul.
I can't take it. No, you can have it back. You can have it back.
I'm gonna call you out in like a year.
In a year?
In a year.
We'll be ready. hey, that's the man I'm scared of right there. Bull rod. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.